Hey guys, it's me Rada, and today's video we are going to unbox and review my new bag. It is the bag from Carlyn. I'm not sure if you heard about Carlyn, but Carlyn is the bag store from South Korea with cute designs, iconic soft and lightweight, and functionality made Carlyn booming. Guys, it is so popular in Southeast Asia, and I am so excited to get this bag. I've been an eye on for so long. It was a little bit hard at the beginning. They went out so fast, so I waited and I finally found the website called Musinsa. Musinsa is #1 Korean fashion store that has basically like everything. There are tons of clothing, bags, accessories. They collect different brands from South Korea, and yeah, if you guys are interested, you can check them out. I don't get any commissions or anything. I just so happy to find it, and I am happy to share this with you guys, and knowing this is real is amazing. So I also got 15% off on my first order, so that is a very good deal. It's express shipping, so I got this less than 2 weeks, which is perfect. I am more ready to open this up, so let's do it. How satisfying I am to wait and open this with you guys. I noticed it is really light. Oh, this is so cute. Yay! And here we go. This is the Carlyn Poing in metallic silver. It comes with the Carlyn dust bag right here. Nowadays there are so many dupes, but the real Carlyn bag will have this tag. It's definitely super light, and you basically can squeeze it and it just become like that. And I will tell you what I like about this bag, but now let me show you the feature of this bag. The bag itself just looks like that. As you can see, it is the clasp body. There is a zipper which is really smooth. Inside the bag there is Carlyn logo and big compartment. You guys see this style bag are viral and so popular, and this is one of the most popular in Southeast Asia. The stitching is so nice. Since it's metallic silver, the hardware is also in silver. You might see most Carlyn bag have gold hardware, but I love the silver. I think it's matched with the bag itself. Look at the details on the hardware. This thing right here is an adjustable strap, so you can adjust to whatever length you want. So it gives this look, and I think it is the cutest. You can use this bag as either crossbody or shoulder bag. I think they both look cute. Poing is the small bag comparing to their older style, but guys, it is so spacious. Like, you definitely can put everything inside your daily basis. I think this will be best for that. This wasn't the bag that I wanted to get it before. I was debating between this Poing and the Cozy. If you know, Cozy is a lot bigger than this one, but Cozy reminds me a lot of my COS bag, so I wanted to get something different, so I went with this one. And to be honest, I'm pretty happy with this bag. The size, the color, it's just so adorable, even though the prices are not different from the Cozy. But this will be definitely my daily bag, which I am so excited about, and I cannot wait to style this bag. Now let's move on to what fits inside. Now I have everything in front of me. Let's see what fits inside. First of all, I'm gonna go with my wallet. You guys see, this is my all-time wallet. Every bag that I have need to be able to carry this wallet, and we put it there. You guys see how roomy it is? Now I have my pen just in case, you know, if you want to use the pens for something. I also have my gummy. my lipstick, the powder, my sunglasses, my key, most importantly, my phone. This is 14 Pro Max. Wow, that is crazy. That is totally a yes for me. So if you guys are looking for like daily bag, I would highly recommend this bag. If you are looking for like bigger bag, you definitely can go with the different one. There are so many style. I still think those are so cute. Very curious to try the next one. I just changed my outfit. I think this would be cute with my new bag. So basically, if you want to make it as a shoulder bag, you need to shrink it up and see the strap got wrinkles. I think this is the unique feature of the bag. I'm trying to untie it. Okay. Here is how it looks without adjusting anything, and you see the bag will hangs around my hips, which I am okay with it. I prefer shorter, so I like this kind of length, and it is so cute. I love it. It's so adorable. I think it's really cute. The reasons it keeps falling is that I don't have anything inside my bag yet, so and that is it in this video. I hope you guys enjoy. If you like this kind of video, please give me a like, subscribe. That's gonna help me a lot. And I will see you guys in my next video. Bye!